Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we offer a wide range of engaging educational content, including language lessons and tips to help you on your English language journey. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos.
Hi Mark, I noticed your English has improved a lot recently. How did you manage to make such progress in learning English?
Thanks, Emily. Well, it's been quite a journey. I started by setting some clear goals for myself. I knew I wanted to be proficient in English for my job, so that was my main motivation.
That's a good start. Setting goals can really drive you forward. Did you take any formal courses?
Yes, I enrolled in an English course at a language school. I found that structured learning helped me understand the grammar and basics.
I see. I've been using online resources for vocabulary and grammar. They're quite useful, especially when I'm on the go.
Online resources are fantastic for flexibility. Besides my course, I also watch English language YouTube channels and listen to podcasts to improve my listening skills.
That's a great idea. Do you practice speaking with native speakers?
Absolutely. I joined a language exchange program, which has been fantastic. I meet with native English speakers for coffee or virtual conversations, and we help each other learn our respective languages.
That's smart. I've been trying to make more English-speaking friends to practice naturally. It's been fun.
Socializing in English is a great way to learn everyday expressions. Speaking of which, have you been reading any English books or watching movies?
Yes, indeed. I recently read a couple of English novels, and I watch English movies with English subtitles. It helps me understand how the language is used in real-life situations.
Excellent strategy. It's also important to be patient with yourself. Learning a new language can be frustrating at times, but staying motivated is crucial.
I totally agree. Celebrating small victories, like understanding a difficult sentence or having a successful conversation, keeps me motivated.
Speaking of which, what are your future plans for learning English?
I'd like to take an advanced English course eventually. And I've been thinking about traveling to an English-speaking country to learn fast.
It's a fantastic idea. I did that last summer, and it was a game changer. It's amazing how much you can learn in a short time when you're surrounded by the language.
I'll definitely consider it. Thanks for all these tips, Mark. It's inspiring to hear about your progress.
You're welcome, Emily. Keep up the good work, and remember that learning English is a journey, not a destination. We're in it together.